Hello everyone! Welcome to Fleur and Laine's Kitchen! Oh, actually, Fleur and Laine's Kitchen has an upgrade. Laine is old enough to cook, so welcome to Fleur and Laine's Kitchen! Today is also Christmas. Laine and Mommy went to the shopping mall to get some Christmas cookies. There she is, Laine! Laine, have you got the cookies?
Yes, the cookies are all sold out.
Sold out? What happened?
I have an idea. We can bake big Christmas tree cookies.
Yeah, let's make some giant Christmas tree cookies. So these are our ingredients.
Softened butter, sugar, egg, plain flour, vanilla extract, baking powder, and salt.
Let's get cooking! Let's cream the butter and sugar together. Good job, Laine. You're really learning how to cook. Are you ready to mix?
Yeah.
Now it's time to add in the egg.
And vanilla extract.
Yes, of course, Laine. Now it's time to put the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients.
When the dough is well combined, wrap it up in some cling film.
Now it is time to put the dough in the fridge and play for 3 hours. Hooray!
No, wait! We forgot to make the icing!
Oh, icing! That's right. We are gonna put the dough in the fridge and let it wait for 3 hours while we make the icing. See you later! Get a packet of royal icing mix from a grocery store. Follow the instructions. Add water and food coloring. And now it's time to do some magic. Abracadabra! Look at all these brilliant colors! Cover your workspace in baking paper. Take out the dough from the fridge after 3 hours. Remember to fly your baking paper and your rolling pin as the dough might stick to it. Okay, use a knife to cut out the shape of a Christmas tree. Transfer it onto a baking tray and put it in the oven for 20 minutes at 170 degrees. Now delicious. Now it's time to let it cool before we decorate. I have the bigger cookie. Yay! What's wrong, Laine?
I don't want a cookie.
Oh, why?
I want the bigger one.
Okay, I love you, Laine. I'll give it to you. What do you say?
Thank you.
Let's get decorating! moldy and they smell delicious.
Yum! I'm gonna eat it now.
Laine, but we must save it for the Christmas party and share it with all our friends.
No, I'm not. I'm gonna eat it now.